This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, and this is a 2027 Peterbilt 589. It's got an 80-inch double bunk sleeper on it. It's got the 131-inch long hood. It's a 280-inch wheelbase. It's a 13,200-pound capacity steer axle. It's riding around on 11R 24/5 rubber, polished Peterbilt aluminum wheels. We put some extra chicken lights in front of the air cleaners, behind the air cleaners, and under the cab. Got your stainless depth tank cover. 100-gallon fuel tank over here on the driver's side. 18-inch side extenders. It has two frame-mounted toolboxes. The rears is 40,000-pound capacity, low air leaf suspension. It has 336 gears and full locking differentials. It's your Holland FW35 fifth wheel with a 36-inch slide. Stainless mud flat brackets. Continental tires all the way around. 30-inch Hogue built quarter fenders. 150-gallon fuel tank over here on the passenger side. Stainless visor. 4 roof-mounted air horns. Is the LED headlights. We put the stainless rock guards underneath the headlights there. Texas style bumper. Let's take a look under the hood. Here we've got our Cummins X15. This one is 565 horsepower with 2050 torque. And in behind that we have your Endurant XD Pro 18-speed automated transmission. Your 1800 watt power inverter in there with shore power. This truck does have platinum interior, leather air ride seats. Got the 7-inch infotainment center with Apple CarPlay. Pull-out workstation on the passenger side. Got our Uniden Bearcat CB radio up there. It's our double bunk 80-inch sleeper. Got a flat screen TV mount that'll hold up a 22-inch flat screen TV. Got some storage in here. Our 1.8 cubic foot refrigerator down here on the bottom. A storage cabinet here. Pull out work tray. This peels off and it's an acrylic cover. So if you can use this, or we even have some in the same specs with different colors, give me a call, 706-372-4698.